children, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to revise term 1, unit 1 in social science. The name of the lesson is Kingdoms of Rivers.
In the ancient period, people settled and started living along the river banks. They produced agricultural crops. They reared cattle in the pasture land. The kings used the river as their boundary mass. In this way, Chera, Chola, Pandya, and other kingdoms appear along the rivers. Chera, Chola, and Pandya were called the Moovendargal.
Children, now let us revise the kingdoms one by one. First, let us see about Chera's kingdom. Cheras were the forerunner of the Moovendargal. The Cheras country was called Cheranadu.
The flag of Cheras was bow and arrow. Their river was Poigai. Vanchi was their capital, and the ports of the west coast, Musiri and Tondi, were under their control.
The Chera country comprised of the present western districts of Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore and Nilgiris. Kerala was also a part of it.
The greatest rulers of Chera were Imayavaramban Neduncheraladan and his son Chengutuvan. Cheran Chengutuvan, the son of Neduncheraladan, erected the statue of Kannagi. The temple of Kannagi was built by the stones brought from the Himalayas after defeating the king Kanagavijayan. This message known from the epic Silappadigaram, which is written by Sengutuvan's brother Ilangovadigal.
The Chola dynasty was a Tamil dynasty of southern India, one of the longest ruling dynasties in the world's history, as one of the three crown kings of Tamilagam. Urayur was their capital. Their river was Kaveri. Their port was Kaveri Pumbattinam. The flag of Chola was tiger. Cholanadu famous for its rice cultivation in the Kaveri river basin. The poet Kadiyalur Uruthirankannanar in his Pattinapalai describes Cholanadu Sorudaithu. That means Cholanadu is famous for rice. The greatest ruler among the Chola was Karigala Cholan, who was also called Karigal Peruvaladan. At a very young age, he disguised as an old man and tactfully justified a case. Karigalan built the dam Kallanai across the river Kaveri, near Tiruchi in South India. The dam still stands, erected even after 2000 years of its construction. The Pandya kingdom was the second important kingdom in South India during the Sangam period. The capital of the early Pandya's kingdom is at Madurai. River Vaigai, flag fish, and their port was Kokkai. Pandya country famous for pearls. Thoothukudi is known as Pearl City. Muttamil Sangams were held in Madurai under the support of Pandyas. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. Muttamil flourished during the region of Pandyas. Muttamil means the three kind of literature in Tamil, Iyal, Isai, Nadagam. The most famous kings were Talayalanganathu Servendra Pandiya Neduncheliyan and Pandiya Neduncheliyan of Silapadigaram. The king Pandya Neduncheliyan gave wrong judgment against the Kannagi's husband Kovalan. Kannagi proved her husband's innocence by breaking her anklet in front of the king. This incident was written in Silapadigaram. When the king realized the truth, he said, Yano Arasan, Yane Kalvan, Kedugayan Ayul, and died by falling down from his throne. Immediately, his wife Koparandevi also sacrificed her life out of shock. The administrative system of the Pandyas was depicted by Mangudi Mardanar of Madurai Kanchi. Okay, children, now let us revise Pallavas dynasty. The early Pallavas ruled on the banks of river Palar with Kanjipuram as their capital, and their flag was Nandi, Fort Mahabalipuram. The region ruled by them was called Tondai Mandalam. It is located in the northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. Next heading, feudal lords or Kurunila Mannargal. Apart from the Moovendargal, several feudal lords or Kurunila Mannargal also ruled over the small lands. The most important among them were Pagan, Pari, Nedumudikari, Ai, Adiyaman, Nalli and Valviluri. These kings were known for their generosity. Therefore, they were popularly called as Kadayillu Vallalgal. Administrative, economic and social conditions during Sangam period. Administrative condition. Arasan was specially called as Ko, Kon, Vendan, Kotravan, Irai by his people. Kingship became hereditary. Hereditary means the king's first son became the next ruler. Next thing is hospitality. Virundombal. Hospitality occupied an important place in Sangam period. Kakai Padiniyar, a poet, got his name for praising a crow for informing the arrival of a guest. Purananuru describes hospitality as one of the important duties of the Tamils. The next one is economic conditions. People lived happily due to the development in economy. Paddy and sugarcane were the most important crops cultivated. Besides this, Varagu, Thinai and Samai were also cultivated. Poetess Avvayar always blessed by saying Varapuyera. This signifies the importance of agriculture in the Sangam period. The next thing is conditions of women. Women were respected in the society. Women were equal to men in bravery. It's said to be in Purananuru. It also said a woman in the Sangam age drove away a ferocious tiger with muram, that is winnow, in her hand. Next one, festivals. People of Sangam age celebrated various festivals. Kartigai, Thiruvadirai and harvest festivals were the most celebrated ones. Urithiran Kannanar of Pattinapalai said that the most popular festival of Indiravilla was celebrated in Puhar. Children, now let us revise the book work exercise. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called dash. Three options are there. Nayanmas, Moovendargal, Kurunila, Mannargal. Which one is the correct dear? Yes, Moovendargal. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. The second one, the efficient king among the Cheras was, the options are Karigalan, Valvilluri, Cheran, Chengutuvan. Which one is the correct? Yes, Cheran, Chengutuvan. The efficient king among the Cheras was Cheran, Chengutuvan. Third one, Port of Chola was. Three options. Kaveri Pumbatinnam, Chennai, Tondi. What will be the answer, dear? Yes, Kaveri Pumbatinnam. Port of Chola was Kaveri Pumbatinnam. Fourth one, the flag of Pandyas was, the options are peacock, fish, tiger. Which one is the correct? Yes, fish. The flag of Pandya was fish. Fifth one, the Vallal feudal lord who gave his chariot to Mullai was, options are Pari, Pagan, Adiyaman. Answer is Pari. The Vallal feudal lord who gave his chariot to Mullai was Pari. Okay, now let us revise the second Roman letter. Match the following. Okay, left side kingdoms are given and the right side rivers are given. Now we are going to match the correct river banks. Okay, Cheras river, yes, Poigai. Cholas river, Kaveri. Pandyas river, yes, Vaigai. Pallavas river, Palar. Once again, Cheras river, Poigai. Cholas river, Kaveri. Pandyas river, Vaigai. And Pallavas river, Palar. Dear children, hope this video is very useful for Unit 1 revision. Thank you.